Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I welcome you. Please hit that like and subscribe and share button. It helps my channel and it's truly appreciated. Okay, today we're making up something simple, a dessert, stuff you may have on hand. Sometimes you just want something sweet. And I got thinking about these cornflake no-bake cookies. Y'all remember those cookies back in the day made with cornflakes and just a few ingredients? I remember them when my classmates' moms would make these up and bring them to school years ago. But they are so simple to make. You really can't mess them up, and they're quick. And it's a delicious little crunchy or chewy treat that we really enjoy, and I wanted to share this with you all. Okay, so here in my big pot, everything you need for these will be in the description, okay? I got a big pot, but I'm only half in the recipe, so I really didn't need this, but oh well, I got it out. But you're not looking to rapidly boil anything. This is just basically dissolving this sugar. I should have got a smaller pan, but oh well. You're basically wanting your sugar to dissolve. So that's what we're going to do here. We're not, just until you see it like barely starting to boil, and just keep this moving. Let that sugar get all melted. This shouldn't take but a couple of minutes. Just keep it moving, but do not bring it to a really hard boil. We're just melting that sugar. All right. I'm not sure if I told you what I even put in there, but it is in the description. It's just my sugar and my Karo syrup. We're just getting this melted. And as soon as this gets melted, get it removed from the stove. Because you want to work quickly with this. But like I said, we're just melting. There goes my dog. Blanche, hush. That's enough. Behave. But that's just about ready. Okay, we're going to turn that off. And we're going to get our peanut butter added in there. This just took maybe 3 minutes on a medium-high heat. Get all that peanut butter in there. And let's get that off the heat. Okay. Got my peanut butter there. Gonna add in some vanilla. Maybe a half a teaspoon in there. And you're just gonna get this all mixed up. I usually double this, but I didn't have enough peanut butter. But I'm like, this is enough. And now I'm gonna add in my cornflakes. Now be gentle with this, but you want to try to hurry and get it mixed in. Just gently fold it over. You don't want to break all your cornflakes up. That's what I'm going to continue doing. It's a quick recipe and it's delicious. Okay. Ice cream scoop. Just kind of pack it in there. Drop them on there. You can form them if you'd like, or just, I wouldn't press them too much because you want them to have that light texture instead of smashing them all together. And you can do these with the Special K cereal. That works. But these little no-bake drop cookies are really good. Brings back memories. And I'm going to continue dropping these on there. Okay, friends, there they are, the cornflake peanut butter no-bake cookies. Very simple. Now, you can also put some chocolate chips on those if you wanted on top. Some coconut, shredded coconut. But you got to work fast with them. And when they start firming up, they take maybe 15-20 minutes. And if you see they're, like if you're a perfectionist, oh, that's out of shape there. They're easily fixable. But they're so good, y'all. I got one little, I think I got 10 of them. Let me get a bite of these. Boy, these bring back memories. Every time I eat them, I just love these little things. And they're chewy. Such a wonderful flavor. Those are delicious. I hope you guys give those a try. That's about it. Curtis is doing fine. I'm doing fine. Just busy. Kids are fixing to go back to school. The grandbabies, they've been out for spring break or summer vacation. And just keeping grandma busy. You grandmas out there know exactly what I'm talking about. Summer vacation rolls around, you got them grandkids. And they keep us busy, boy, let me tell you. But until next time, I will see y'all hopefully eventually. I don't know when it'll be. I can get my schedule back to every Sunday. Now it's like I try to jump on here when I have time. And I just love being here with y'all and cooking some food and some snacks. But anyways, you guys have a beautiful, beautiful night. And I guess that's about it. Until next time, eat well, love one another, always. And God bless. We'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.